right, boys and girls, today we're doing number patterns, but this time there's not a 120 chart on your paper to help you. So you do have one on your desk if you need help finding the numbers. So let's just go ahead and figure out what's 10 less than 43? It's 33. And 10 more is 53. So 1 less than 43 is 42, and 1 more is what? 44. Excellent. Okay, now we have 31 is our home number. So 10 less than 31 is 21, and 10 more is 41. Then 1 less is 30, and 1 more is 32. Next, our home number is 58. So 10 less than that is 48, and 10 more is what? 68. 1 less than 58 is 57, and 1 more is 59. Good. The next one, our home number is 65. So 10 less than 65 is 55, and 10 more is 75. Now, 1 less than 65 is 64, and 1 more is 66. Let's do one more together, and then I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. 10 less than 39, 29, and 10 more is 49. 1 less is 38, and 1 more is 40. Very good. Okay, good job, boys and girls. So I want you to push pause on the video and finish the last 6 on your own. Remember to use your 120 chart or your 100 chart on your desk if you need any help. All right, boys and girls, now we're ready to do some practice on the back. And I know that you love Rocket Math. It's so fun, right? So first, find all of the number neighbors. Remember, when we're subtracting, if you find the number neighbors, that makes it pretty simple because those answers are all just 1. Look at how many we found so far, right? That already solves all of these math problems for you. And then when you're finished, go back and do the -1 problems because that's just 1 less, which is what we're practicing. So those are pretty simple. And when you get all of those done, then you won't have very many left. When you're finished, give yourself a smiley face and turn it into your teacher.